I have some question, like some student, again, nothing right or wrong. That's like we are human being, right? It's our feelings. Some is very good at interview. Some is they want to do their own. What is the benefits and essential advantage giving the show and tell? Do you think it's a garbage or it is something what it is?
Show and tell was when you start doing them, you'll notice that's the most important most important thing. Because one, it gives you the confidence. I remember my first show and tell, I think like 20, 30 people joined. I was nervous. I was like my first interview in a way where, yeah, it was just very nervousy. But the show and tell, it got me so much confidence after. And the show and tell, if you don't do show and tell, you're not gonna be ready for the job market. I'll tell you that. And you have so many disadvantages because show and tell, one, it helps your presentation skills and it helps your communication skills. Two, it helps your confidence. And then three, you're doing the actual hands-on, right? So you're learning how to do the work, but also explaining the work. So if you don't do any show and tells, then you're just really doing yourself a disadvantage. Doing the show and tell helped me understand each section fully. Like if I did a Docker show and tell, after the show and tell, I really understood Docker a lot. But then say if I didn't do a CI/CD show and tell, then you would be lacking, you would be falling behind. You would feel like you didn't do everything. But after each show and tell, you feel like you know the content even more. Because when we're doing the hands-on by ourselves, we're not talking to ourselves, we're not explaining anything. But when you're doing the show and tell and you're doing the hands-on and you're explaining, when you're doing the show and tell, you start to understand more. You're like, oh, like now I know this or now I know that. And the biggest thing, yeah, you just keep learning and it's just more, you become more skilled once you're doing something and you know how to present it. Because if you truly do something and you don't know how to talk about it or you don't know how to explain it to others, then you don't know what the hell you learned. So that's what it is. So the show and tells helps you just learn more. Because when I was just doing the hands-on by myself, I didn't understand everything. But when I presented it to others, you don't know something until you can present it to others that of something that they don't know. If you can't explain, a certain topic like you're explaining it to like a 5-year-old child, then you truly don't know it. But when you do the show and tell and you explain it in like the easiest way possible, then it really just helps you understand. And also joining other show and tells. When I would join other student show and tells, that really helped me understand more because it gives you a new perspective. It gives you a better understanding it, hearing it from another person's words. Say if I did a Docker show and tell already, but another student was doing it after me, I would join that one and it would help me understand more about a certain topic even more because it's very important getting it from your perspective, but also another student's perspective. But if I didn't do all those show and tells, I don't think I would be here where I'm at right now. So the show and tells were uh nothing but helpful. It's great. I recommend every student to do as much as you possibly can on every single topic.
Thank you.